Alright, so the first website to check the energy output, basically for, well, the whole United States energy output.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Is this website, eia.gov. As you can see, we have a consumption chart by energy right here, a list of different things. We're split 30-30 or so in petroleum and then natural gas for the most part. This is a more generalized website, but it is pretty cool. You can check it out. We have different sectors that actually consume this. We have the electro-powerful sector, or this picture right here, and then we have so much more. You can check this out. We have different charts, as you can see that right here, coal in 1950, and now coal is still leading, or so, more or less, give or take. We have natural gas, I should say, that is leading. The next website is more generalized of the whole entire nation, but the United States is right here, 73 billion consumption of electricity.